please?
I'll look for it, yeah. What you doing, kid? Hi, what's your name? What's your name, sir? Are you baseball boy?
No. Why are you not asleep?
I did.
Why?
I did.
Why you go exercise? But you need to. I miss you. I do it in kitchen. Say, mommy. Hey, will you put out paint?
The paint, it was all gone.
Why?
I had to throw it away. Because you guys used it all.
Mom, do the paint way.
It was all gone.
What?
Don't get your face out.
Okay, okay.
It's okay. Did you see your pumpkins out front?
Did you see the pumpkins out in the front yard?
Hey, Rome, you're squirting glue out, bud.
Don't do that, son, please. Sissy. Hello, little girl. Hi. What you doing over here?
Painting?
Oh, did you color that pumpkin?
Yeah.
With who?
The glue.
A lot of glue.
Green now.
Whoa. Gee. No, 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 no. Not me. Let's just talk to Sissy here. She's just walking all over the place. Mr. Roman